Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. This video will provide one more latest update regarding the Stealth Wing Flying Testbed, which is in short called as SWIFT, which is a technology demonstrator developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency and Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur. As per the defense sources, this flying testbed, which weighs around 110 all up weight, has completed a series of low speed taxi trials and high speed taxi trials, and this has been cleared for the first flight that likely will take place by end of 2021. The performance and instrumentation of this unmanned combat air vehicle was monitored by DRDO test personnel from a ground control station to verify the functionality while the vehicle reached the accelerator speeds. The Stealth Wing Flying Testbed has performed such trials over the last 3 months, during which it underwent low, medium, and high speed taxi testing. The technology demonstrator SWIFT is powered by a Russian NPO Saturn 36MT turbofan engine. This engine in future will be replaced by an indigenous one, which is GTRE's small turbofan engine. This GTRE developed small turbofan engine is a crucial step in achieving the self-sufficiency in cruise missile technology. And even these engines are used to power the nearby long-range land attack cruise missile. This technology demonstrator will also be used to collect data on the flying wing control, autonomous takeoff and landing technology. Even the testing of the retractable landing gear system, the flying wing design, the low radar signature data of the aircraft will also be monitored. India's Defense Research and Development Organization has delivered the retractable landing gear system for the SWIFT, and it was handed over during a ceremony at DRDO Laboratory, which is Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment in Chennai. So that was a quick update on the Stealth Wing Flying Testbed technology demonstrator and where we stand with the progress in it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.